Hello, welcome back guys to Spotaria channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to enable notifications in Inshot on iPhone. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support the channel. And without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, first thing first that you have to do here, you just have to open your settings on your phone to activate or enable the notifications in Inshot. And after, you just have to scroll it down. At the bottom you'll find out the apps options. Just tap on it to find out the Inshot applications. Here I'm gonna scroll it down. And this is what I mean, the Inshot. I'm gonna tap on it. You'll find out the notifications option, just tap on it. And if you wanna enable for the notification, you just have to tap on the toggle beside it like this until it's turned green. When it's turned green, which means your notifications from Inshot is already activated, guys. So we'll find that and we'll see the notification that share from Inshot to your phone. So yeah, I think it's enough from me, tutorial how to enable notifications in Inshot on iPhone. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.